Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a lip color that stays put through whatever your day throws at you, whether it's your morning coffee, a kiss, or a full-on dinner date, then you might want to stick around for this review. Today we're talking about Rimmel Provocalips Lip Color in the shade Berry Seductive. This is a transfer-proof, kiss-proof, 16-hour wear formula that's designed to keep your lips looking flawless from dawn till dusk. But does it live up to the claims? Let's dive in and find out. Rimmel Provocalips comes in a small, sleek tube containing 0.14 fluid ounces of product. The formula promises to deliver long-lasting color without the need for constant touch-ups. It claims to provide up to 16 hours of wear, which is a bold statement. But what I really want to know is, does it deliver on that promise without drying out my lips or feeling uncomfortable? The product's key selling points are its transfer-proof and kiss-proof qualities, which instantly drew me in. No one likes having lipstick all over their coffee mug, or worse, their partner's face. The berry shade, Berry Seductive, is rich and vibrant, with deep red and purple undertones that should flatter a range of skin tones. After applying the lip color, I found that the initial feeling was smooth, with a slight glossy finish. The applicator made it easy to get a clean line around the lips, though I did need to be a bit careful around the corners to avoid uneven coverage. The first layer went on without any issues, and the color was intense from the get-go. It dried down fairly quickly, leaving behind a smooth, matte finish. Now let's talk about wear time. I wore this for an entire day. Yes, 16 hours. And I was genuinely surprised. It held up throughout multiple cups of coffee, a lunch, and yes, even a few kisses. The color didn't fade, and there was no transfer onto glasses or napkins, just as promised. However, by the end of the day, I did notice that my lips felt a little dry, though not as bad as I expected from a long-wear formula. They still felt smoother than many other matte lipsticks I've tried, which was a pleasant surprise. In terms of pros, this product really delivers on its promises of long-lasting, vibrant color. The formula is lightweight and, once it sets, feels almost weightless on the lips. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for a lip color that can survive a full day at work or a night out. The Berry Seductive shade is bold, yet wearable, making it versatile enough for both daytime and evening looks. However, no product is without its drawbacks. The dryness I mentioned earlier is worth noting. While it's not extreme, it's something to keep in mind if you have naturally dry lips. You might want to apply a lip balm beforehand to avoid any discomfort. Additionally, while the applicator is convenient, it can be tricky to apply evenly on the first swipe, especially around the edges. As for the value for money, at this price point, you're getting a solid product that's built for performance. Given how long-lasting the color is, I think it's fair to say that it's a good deal, especially considering you get 2 tubes in the pack. In comparison to other long-wear lipsticks, the Rimmel Provocalips is on par with some of the higher-end brands, but at a much more affordable price. While products like Urban Decay's Vice Lipstick or Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick may offer slightly more moisture, the Rimmel formula provides comparable staying power and intensity at a fraction of the cost. When it comes to packaging, the tube is simple but functional, with a sturdy cap that clicks into place to keep the product secure. I didn't notice any issues with leakage or packaging defects, so it's travel-friendly in that regard. If you're someone who struggles with lipstick fading throughout the day or smudging onto everything, this product could be a game changer. But if you're sensitive to drying formulas or looking for something ultra hydrating, this might not be the best option for you. For those seeking alternatives, you might want to check out Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick or the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Lip Color, both of which offer long wear and vibrant color. While they may be similar, I find that Rimmel has the edge when it comes to affordability and color range. To sum it up, Rimmel Provocalips Lip Color in Berry Seductive is a solid choice for those who need a dependable, long-lasting lip color. If you're in the market for a lipstick that won't budge, this one is certainly worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the description box if you want to grab your own. And hey, if you've already tried this lip color, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.